Hey, for the first time in 3.5 months, we have no renters staying here. We decided to block out the next week, and we're going to begin to take care of some of the next projects that we need to do. The main ones right now are just the repair work. So this week we're going to drain the pool and fix. There's rust coming through from underneath, and we need to get that fixed. So we'll drain the pool today, and then tomorrow the workers will show up. Other projects, fixing doors, the roof, and other stuff. But that's the important one because we need the pool. So we're gonna see if we can figure out how to drain it right now. This is turned to waste. I've got the drain open. The fondo is the bottom, so that's the one that I want open. This one right here is closed because that's the skimmer, and you don't want to take out of the skimmer, you want to take out of the bottom ones. And this is also the sweeper, whatever one that is, and then the return one is off. So let's see if this works. Turn the thing on. I'm gonna do that here. All right. I gotta figure out how to turn this thing on because it's on connected to my smartphone, which means I don't know how to work it. Okay, 30 seconds later, I think I figured it out. Nope. Crap. We're draining. So yesterday, the owner of the pool company came out, and as you can see here, he fixed where the rust was coming through the tile. There was a nail that had been mixed in with the concrete, and that was causing the problem. So we really do appreciate that he came out and repaired it. We're going to be, even though that was their fault, I'm sure we're on the hook for filling the pool back up and replacing all the salt, which is going to cost us a couple $100. But again, we do really appreciate that they did at least come out and repair that. And that is another point, that once you pay somebody, you really lose all of your leverage to get them to fix any mistakes. We had a carpenter, he came out today, he had made a mistake with a closet that he installed, the doors, and the doors were installed and now the drawers won't open, and he came back out. He said it's fixed. It's not fixed, but he said in his book it's fixed, and he's not coming back out again. So we paid him almost 40,000 pesos. So we're gonna have to get somebody else out to repair it again, because we did pay him without double checking the work. So but anyways, so just a lesson learned, which we continue to have these lessons. Okay, so as you can see here now, I've got the hydrochloric or the muriatic acid. I bought it from a kind of an interesting place hidden away in Centro. It was $1 for a liter. I got gloves, and I've got sponges, and we're gonna see if we can clean this tile up before we refill the pool. I spent about 4 hours scrubbing by hand and cleaning the pool with that mix of water and hydrochloric acid. Just the materials for that only cost about $5, but we did end up having to buy $80 in salt for when we refilled the pool, and to fill the pool it cost $90 in water, which is 3 of those 10,000 liter, they call the pipas, the trucks that carry the water. He had actually quoted me $75, $25 for each one, and then when he showed up he said it was going to be $30 each, but we were able to do the last 10 or 12,000 liters out of our own cistern here. Once I added the salt, we ran the salt to chlorine generator for about 15 hours over 2 days to get the chlorine and pH levels right. And now we have it back on autopilot. It runs 2 hours 15 minutes in the morning, and then another 2 hours and 15 minutes in the evening, and that should keep the levels right. We'll see how it holds up though. It actually, I mean, for the $175 it costs to empty it, clean it, and refill it, it may be something that we just do once a year, because the pool does look a lot better now than it did before. a lot cleaner, on top of repairing that that rust stain that was coming through. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.